Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Dodge Journey RT all-wheel drive. Stock number E1430PA. 39,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, pitch black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, seat 7, leather interior, rear heat and air control, underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning, middle row seats full flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost. (50-50) split folding rear seat, folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, and very clean as you can see. This RT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Button start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices, additional under-seat storage, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Journey has a 3.6-liter V6, 283 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.